It's probably not the best day to be drilling a well, but I'm not drilling it. I'm just paying to have it drilled. So hopefully this weather doesn't scare them away. We can still get it done. I don't know how drilling works, but we're gonna head down there here in a bit and unlock the gate and see if our driller shows up. They have already gone 60 feet and they haven't hit water yet. So I'm getting a little stressed out. I was prepared to go 100 feet. So we'll see. They went 220 feet and we didn't hit water, so we don't know what we're gonna do. This isn't good. I don't even know what to say. We attempted, or the well driller attempted to find water today, and we were unsuccessful. They're 200 feet down. 220 feet down actually, and we have no water yet. So I don't know what to do. I knew that the well was either gonna make us or break us, and I didn't really think it was gonna break us. From the research I did, there's water. I mean, people have wells within half a mile of here, and everybody has water in pretty much less than 100 feet. But we're down 220 feet and we have no water, so I don't know. We're at a loss. We don't know what to do. We're gonna take the weekend and think about it a little bit, try to figure it out, but I don't know. If we can't have water, then it's pointless. So we'll see. This might be the end of it. Might have been a short run. I don't know.